like we got him.
Incorrect. I got him.
Well, either way, we're gonna collect this bounty. What the?
All right, let me see. Looks like the mic's working. Excellent. Never sure. You'd think I would be by now, but nope. Oh, good morning, folks. I hope you're doing well today. I've got some busy work to get done, so guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do it on stream so it gets done. I can't show you the busy work I've got to get done at first. There's a good chunk of it, the most tedious part, right? But I can indeed. And howdy. Again, I can indeed show you the second part of the busy work, which is a little bit more fun. It's a bit more artistic, right? That's enjoyable. But the first part is just grinding, writing from one place to another. So that's gonna be a bit. It's not too bad. About a half hour of that. So I thought I'd just hang out with you folks and do it here just so it gets done, and two birds, one stone gets me through things a little bit easier than just trying to sit down and do the thing without anything else going on. So I'm going to throw on the streaming tunes this go. So let's see if I can balance that out. Might get a little monotonous for me, but it is still infinitely better than not, honestly, than having nothing in the background, because I'm not gonna be talking much. It's gonna be a lot of chatting more than anything. So we're gonna use this screen. If folks show up, I'll be more easily able to see what you're talking about, and hopefully it's a bit more entertaining than simply watching a big screen of me. Right? So, all right. And I sadly can't tickety tick, so it's gonna watch me peck type for a while. So you're welcome. All right, go over here and start the process. Oh, you guys don't have this. There you go. And there's some audio for you. There you go. All right. Let's see if I can fit these in these. Basically, what I'm doing, and I can share what I'm doing, is address labels. There you go. And that is a pain in the ass. It's some copy and pasting mainly. Got 51 to do. That's the ticket. That's why I didn't want to sit down and do it. Just wasn't time, honestly. There's some days it's just not time. That's been most of these days lately. Can I shrink the lettering significantly? No. This one's in some trouble. This one will not fit on the... I got you, you don't have to tell me. Snap to edge, alignment, text styles. There's no... Okay, good. Because I gotta lower this one in particular, like, significantly. The print size. There you go. Alright. That's the part of it that I was just kind of like, One I have to do extra than just the copy and paste. Not my favorite. Alright, so we can control it. Come on, control A. I think we can go up to 8. Yeah. There you go, buddy. I got you. Alright. There you go, bud. You're all set. Alright. Oh, and I didn't write. That's dumb. That was the other part of this that I'm not the biggest fan of. Oh. No, go back up to 3, please. I did him right. That was the previous one. No. Did one even after him. Okay, so that's why you write that note for yourself, Cody, that you already did that one. Alright. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, sneeze. That's no extra charge. Watch Nesis. Nesis places. Very hopeful this coffee kicks in. I am fucking tired. Control. Oh, is that necessary or is that the phone number? Am I putting phone numbers on here by accident? I think I am. I don't recognize them because they ain't American. Yeah, I think. I don't know. God damn it. I'm used to zip codes, but do these. Oh, those gotta be phone numbers. Let me double check. If they are, then yeah, I'm not putting those directly on the. Yeah, sure, I had an Aussie here. That doesn't help. Oh yeah, it does. If I God, see, this is why. It's just a pain in the butt. Oh, where was the Aussie? Aussie. Okay, yeah, that doesn't tell me what part of Australia. That's fun. Okay. Sure, let's see what it's called. What am I looking for? God, what a pain in the butt. Kambalda. Is that Amba? Oh, not that part of Australia. Okay. Gotta look all the way through Australia. Verb that I'm not putting. Ah. That's what happens. Kamba. Is that what I was looking at? Kambalda, no, different than Kamba. Okay, so that didn't help. Well, shit. Okay, Kamba again. Yeah, no, it's all of them. That's not gonna help. Don't know. And that's what bugs me that Indiegogo also collects phone numbers. Really don't need to. That's gotta be phone number. But every international order includes them. And there is no quote-unquote zip code. Yes, watch me fumble not understanding the world. Okay, so first international that does not include that, or has it actually formatted as a phone number? Oh, I'm so confused now. There's got to be phone numbers. Yeah, I think the postal code. Yeah, here's one with the Netherlands, and there's postal code, and there's name, and then there's the. Okay, so I was indeed. Okay, at least that's what I'm going with. Yeah, because there are series of letters and numbers that follow for that, and these are all the standard phone number setups. So let's go ahead and get those the fuck out of here. Alright. Oh, howdy, brother. How you doing today? I'm doing busy work, dealing with international shipments I should have a little while ago. For the little metal cards, right? And you caught me figuring out, hopefully, that these were phone numbers and not some kind of foreign wackadoo area code. I'm pretty sure. Claudio was the last one, huh? Claudio. Hello, Claudio. There you are, Claudio. Okay, so just don't copy that part. Alright, we're good now, I think. I think we're back on track for the busy work. But I can't show you the actual busy work, so you get chat. Yeah, right. Why can't they be American? Though we did try that for a while. Not as hard as some European countries tried that, but you know. Alright. Netherlands. Oh, okay. About 9 of 59. Okay. They do have the cooler names most of the time. Not that far outside of your special little box program that you're complaining about. Alright, there you go. That's 9 over here, 10. Hope you're doing well, brother. I'm doing alright. Casper. Alright, that was the last one I did. Kiwi now. Let me get you this. Oh, no. Whoa. That could have been bad. Casper. Kiwi. Got it. Got Mr. Kiwi. Alright. Howdy, Arno. Do I know what they call a royale with cheese? A royale with cheese. Oh, howdy, Just Doug, as well. This is going to be one of the less entertaining streams. You're just watching me type. So, no harm, no foul in not sticking around. I just wanted to do some busy work that is long overdue, and this is one of the best ways to get my ass to actually do it. Wait. 401. Okay, this address I'm confused with now. But I think it's some weird. God, Germany. What? Oh well, German. Give it a shot. I'm actually gonna send out a small batch before I send out a big batch anyway. So A. That was also a New Zealander, not what I picked. There you go. There you go. We'll see if these are addressed properly. A lot of copying and pasting, which is nice, so I don't have to type it all out, but it's still a bit. bin. Another Brit. Bum, 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 bum. Because they don't use the same system of weight measurements. Be my guess. He's not anymore. They went metric. But otherwise, I really don't know. They don't really have a quarter pound. I don't remember much the Pulp Fiction explanations. I do remember Royale with cheese. Royale with cheese. What? Hyde Street, Stoke-on-Trent. Can you get more of a British street name than that? I love it. Okay. It's on Stoke-on-Trent. Okay. That's good Danish, buddy. Quite a few Danes. The Vikings know what's up. Ooh, Ireland. Lisa O'Reilly. Alright. Lisa O'Reilly. Alright, there you go. Boom, boom, boom. I'll get you your card. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Hopefully soon. Alright, another Brit. He decided to capitalize everything. God, I hope those aren't important numbers. Very confusing now. Yes, it's 10 numbers now. Is that a thing? Oh, mighty Google. No, actually, almighty DuckDuckGo. Let me see their address format and see if I really fudged up. No. No. No, that is a phone number. Their phone numbers are just weird. They have extra numbers. Okay. Okay, good. I really wish, I don't know why they dox the phone numbers, Indiegogo, why they ask you for your fucking phone number. I guess if you're buying something super expensive, but then why would... I guess if you're like a bigger company and you actually have a customer support division and you're fucking up on Indiegogo, you have some tech device, and then you need to reach somebody. But for comics, man, I don't need to have your fucking phone number. It's just confusing me, man. I'm not smart enough for phone numbers, especially foreign phone numbers. God dang foreigners. Love and support our work, who I'm happy to assist and try and get the stuff they are owed. Andrew, okay, let me see. Did I already do you, Andrew? No, we're good. Another person for the Netherlands. Call. What kind of cheese? The good kind of cheese. That's the kind of cheese. Aha! Metric system. Take that. All right. That's got a great name for an American. Ta Peng Wang. Don't get more American than that. Portuguese. Antonio Mora Santos. It's good name in Portugal. Alright, there you go. There you go. Alright. Almost 30 done. I think we're actually at the halfway point of the busiest part of the busy work. And then there's a fun art part, where I'm going to make the Patreon card. Not make, but redo the Patreon animation with an extra name, since we got a new patron I want to say this week. Ooh, Israel. I hope I can mail to Israel easily enough. That's the other bit about this is I don't know. I was able to get away with some things that maybe I shouldn't have been able to get away with. Mailing in the U.S. these metal cards. I don't think customs might be as kind. So again, I'm gonna send hopefully a wave of them to different countries, right? So I can see how each country kind of handles how I'm shipping it out before I do a bunch from the same country and then get them all back. That would suck. Alright. Did we just skip a bunch? Did you just skip a bunch? Okay, yeah, I skipped a few. Okay. There we go, this fella. Oh, it's a Canadian. Canadian lady. Alright. There you go, my Canadian lady friend. Alright. This fella. I hope a lot of these addresses are the same, because it's about $2 a piece at best to ship these out. So that's why I really don't want to budget up too bad. I am at the bottom of the barrel of the campaign funds and then what I've put into it personally. I can't fuck up too much, but this is the last lap. I haven't made the update on Indiegogo yet, but yep, okay. But we should be done with all the comics fulfillment and including replacements. That's the bit we were waiting on is replacements. But since I haven't had that confirmed by any of the folks who requested returns or replacements, I don't know yet. That doesn't look like a properly formatted. Okay, that one I'm not sure about. That doesn't look right, buddy. But all right, it's the address you gave us. That probably means your comics didn't reach either if it was no good. But we didn't get very many sendbacks. Like if the person moved, the people who are living there now wanted the comics or something. So it got somewhere is the big bit. Alright, we are now officially over halfway done. Okay, page 2 of the shipping labels. After Miss McIntyre, which we actually have a character that spells their name exactly like that in our comic universe, which is kind of neat. Let's see. They thinks we're communists. They may. I mean, we certainly are, you know, flirting with it. Why not? Why not? At this point, none of it works. Nah, any system that'll lead to a fascist regime, especially ones that necessitate a fascist regime to function. No, thank you. And you have to take the power before you can spread the power, and once you have the power, you have no reason to spread the power. so yeah, not a fan of collectivist ideologies. Oh, really? There's a bunch of Americans, it looks like, for a while there. Okay, go up one more, because I'm not sure. Go up another. Okay, yeah, no, that's right. That's a great name. Ghislaine LaFontaine. That's a very excellent name. Ghislaine LaFontaine. Alright. Ottawa. Ottawa. Ottawa, Canada. Ottawa. Oh, did I do that for Ghislaine LaFontaine? I did not. Look that up, man. It's your only way of keeping any of this straight. Alright. What I have done and what I haven't, so I don't send multiple things. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Howdy, Eliza, for stopping by the way. You try to collect. Yeah! Yeah, see, that's a good one. Okay, to be fair, I can support collecting Spider-Man. I can. In fact, I was until I got the whole collection, a Gru collectivist, I guess. Funny thing, I thought doing fan art of Doug Marcadia of Forged in Fire. I'm kind of aware of Forged in Fire. They're a blacksmithing channel, if I'm right. It will kill with that beautiful yet unnerving smile of his. I'm guessing they are that's an accent. I do not watch Forged in Fire, but I believe I am aware of it. Again, if I'm wrong, let me know. Werner Heinz is a very, very German name. Yeah, I did not get you, Werner. We will get you now, Werner. This is Werner Heinz. Oh, let me know if the music's too loud, too quiet, any of that as well. I'm hoping it's just about right so that it can be heard without being in the way, but it might be in the way. So let me know. That was fun. Another Kiwi. There you go, Kiwi friend. Alright. Who's that? The guy was not a Kiwi. Alright. Hopefully that works. It looks like it should work. Not that one. What is this? Oh, got it. I think I'm okay there. Alright. I think I can close that one too. And that one. Over here. Alright. There. Let me look. Yes. Okay. I always have to go back because I forget or become unsure if I did a name already. Particularly the name I just did most of the time. Just excellent. Ah, I see. Right. Believe if you like the track that is playing, totally check out Laguna Munta's channel. If you would. Also, if you like our new intro, let me know. I've been enjoying the new kind of... I found a transparency program online. Anything free, right? I'll wrangle. And so we did that on a few images, as you can see above and to my left there. And also allowed us to change the standby screen and do this kind of neat stuff. Not the putting me on TV thing. That was a whole nother shader thing to do with OBS, which I'm glad I was able to figure out and get something roughly the shape of this. And I think it's kind of neat. I've also pulled the camera forward as far as I can, which I don't know. I don't know if you need more of me. I liked it better when it showed more of the stuff to my left, but I don't know. I'm when I'm doing this kind of shared stuff, right? I'm kind of tiny, so we're working on the channel. I guess the best thing to say. So any tips, ideas, what you like, what you don't like, I always appreciate hearing that. Trying to make it look semi like we know what we're doing. We might not know what we're doing, but I want to make it look like we do in some form. But yeah, Laguna Muta. I believe this is Jack's ride. I think this is the first IronVerse Comics track. It might. Let me look before I. Yeah, no. It's Showdown with Cody's. It's the second. Good. I was like, before you start talking out your ass about what you don't know, if you have the data available, go to the data. But yeah, this is Showdown at Cody's, available through his stuff. See, that is the label I got for him. Alright, I'm gonna have to contact somebody in particular. Did I do BM? BM? Yeah, I did do BM already. Guy's name's BM, I swear. No, they, could be a lady, did put their name as BM Robertson. Alright, there's an Aussie. Alright, this guy. Hey, they use a post office box as well here. That's good enough. That's the first foreign post office box I've hit. Alright, there you go. K again. Yeah. Oh. I have to double check, like, Can't be too sure, so it's worth double checking. Alright. Oh, it's a show on the History Channel. Okay. Oh, is it funny thing? You thought, oh, okay, no, there's that. Blacksmithing, maybe Man-at-Arms, I don't know. Forge and Fire is the show on History Channel. Also don't watch History Channel. I did for a little bit when Ancient Aliens was, like, really big. And I had access to that kind of, to TV. But, not anymore. Or do I do that? Not anymore. That's a good track. This is the Elderborn soundtrack. They don't copyright claim you. And they are badass, and it's a really cool game. It's a lot of fun, so I do recommend checking it out. An indie developer. It's a roguelite, first-person kind of dealy, first-person melee combat game. I've had some fun. I believe I played it on the channel a little bit. Last one I did was okay. No, we're on track. A lot of Canadians. I appreciate our topside brethren. For all their support, honestly. Now, I'm sorry that these haven't gotten out quicker to you folks. Juggling a lot this year, and my mentality isn't always the best for hard work already, and hasn't gotten too much better, but it has gotten better. Piece by piece, you rebuild, right? So that's a little bit of what I'm doing right now. All right. What was the last one I did? Yep. Alright, so new guy. Oh, another Canadian. A lot of Canadians. I'm definitely gonna need to, in this first batch, do a Canadian. Before I send out a bunch of Canadian stuff. My hope is they don't want to charge me the package rate with these cards because they're going to be semi-rigid. If they do, I will not be able to send these cards out. Just blatantly. My hope is they'll only charge for the extra ounces and not the rigidity. Because it changes from upwards maybe 250 if I have to add extra stamps. I might be able to get them out for $1.30, but it goes from like 250 is kind of what I got budgeted to to about $40 a fucking piece. So that ain't happening. But I don't think that'll be a thing that happens. So I'm not too worried. I have faith that things will work out. Almost there, folks. I think I already got you. You just got 2 orders, mister. Okay, fine. We'll get you twice anyway. I knew who you are, and you've been a big supporter for a while, buddy. You're gonna have 2 cards if it works out, Mr. Dane. Ludwigrisa. It's German. Alright. Alright. More Germans. Oh no. Was I still not? Did I fuck up? No. It just decided to print that name again. Okay. Aye. This program's got a lot of bits. I'm not the biggest fan. Like, yeah, and then the next few are all that too. It's trying to save me time. It's like auto spell on your phone, but with dates. Yeah, I'm gonna need to fix that address. Looks like it's twice. One of the few cards I got back because it was undeliverable. I keep coming across the address, and I'm like, oh, that's why. Did we finish? Is that it? Well, yeah, there's only 50 some odd, and what we're done. All right. I'd rather print blank. Oh, what are you doing to me? Like, no, you don't get to print blank. What? Hey, what are you doing to me? Why can't I delete this? There you go. And then it deletes the one ahead of it. Why does it delete the one ahead of it? Alright, just to be safe, we'll just leave it. And I'll have to toss out the extras, because that's annoying. I just want it. Is that why? Let me try it. Here we go! Yes! Okay, that was totally why. I almost undid all my work. Because I'm not paying attention to the functions of a program. Modern age. Sounds better than like chipping a statue you've been working on for like a year and a half. I'll give you that. Working on this marble, and then I got pissed a little bit and chiseled a little too hard. We good? Yeah. Alright. Print time. Continue, yes, it's fine. I don't think my printer's on. So, I'll be right back with you folks. Just hold on for a second. Alright, printer should be on. Now I have to see if the computer recognizes it. That's the next fun part. Preview and print. Print it myself, please, because I don't need it shipped. I don't need that. Get. You have to print. We strongly recommend that you save. Sure, just in case. Because, yeah, it was a pain in the ass. Oh, making these shipping labels. But it works. It's just busy work. It's just busy work, not the end of the world. Just open it with Firefox because I don't need to actually save it. Portrait. Copies 1 and then the 2 pages. Print. Printing. Printer is online. That's good to see. Printing page. Ooh. Ooh. That works, then I have to find the program. So the next part's going to be a bit of a pain too. But again, I'll show you the process. And I guess if any of you guys do a Patreon page or need to do a big thank you thing for some kind of internet dealie, you'll learn something maybe. That'll be fun. I actually get to share something. Alright, printed page 1 or 2. So we're good. We're good. I can move on. And those will be out there for me. So let me see. What was the program I used? What a lunatic. Oh, don't tell me that's gone now too. Oh man, I don't remember what program I used. That's why I bookmarked this shit. And then it just goes ahead and deletes my bookmarks. Thanks, Firefox. Super helpful. Alright, so we get to go on a quest as well. I'm so much a fan of quests. Alright, wait, what the fuck? Oh, we've got a problem. We've got a problem with these addresses. We've got a problem. Son of a bitch. Four of them are incorrect. Okay. So, nope. I gotta hand do something real quick, folk. God damn it. That's the only way to make sure I didn't fuck up too bad. That's annoying. Alright, they are printed. How those 4 specifically got fudged. Alright. That's why I don't want to hand do them. Okay. Need a pen. So I can write down which ones still need done, which is the first bud. I can't to fuck up. My vocals probably cracking down in another room. I don't even know any of it, so apologies if this is an annoying part of the video. No working pen. It's my favorite. Favorite kind of pen is no working. Alright. Going back and reprinting the whole sheet just for these 4 addresses is just not something I want to do. So, I'll just make sure they're written down and then I can go from there. Oh, that's a pain in the butt. Alright, one sec. Howdy, howdy. Alright. I am going to have to reprint those 4, but Just gotta have it written down so I don't fudge it up. In fact, I'll put a question mark next to it. That's the best way to mark these in the digital form. Then who else is likely not done because it decided to replace the names on it with old names, which really bothers the hell out of me. That's not gonna help me, so I gotta go. Don't tell me. I didn't close it. Good. So the first three, and then after Ricky. Ricky? Yeah. Okay. First three after Ricky. Okay. Lee. John Roberts here. Okay. It's kind of nice I had blank ones. Okay. Put an exclamation point there. And Ricky, and then the one after Ricky didn't go. Let me check if. Yep, that's it. Alright, so. Yep. I don't know why I did that. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, alright, fixed. Done. Move on to the next fun part where I'm looking for the program I used. That'll be fun. Be right back. Ugh. Oh boy. That's never fun. A little chilly too. Alright. Alright. Yeah, look at that butt. Alright. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I am. Alright. We're done with that part. That was the only mistake, right? Yes. Okay. Excellent. So then the next part would be figuring out that stuff. So that's really stoked it got rid of my, unless it's this thing. No. That's an artist. Very badass artist I'd like to work with, but not a program. Just a very odd titled. Damn it, what was the program? That's really annoying. I always bookmark that stuff so I can complain to somebody else. Well, let me show you what I mean. So I've done it a couple different ways. So here, let me, yes, and off. There you go. So I did find something where I can overlay text on a image, a GIF, or a some such, right? So this is the GIF. I overlay that, and boom, I had this, so I didn't have to remake that part all the time. Then boom, with all the names. I just want to add one name to this, which means I would take this and then load it into that program, and then I have to rewrite all these names, but then add one more to it, and then I'd be done. But no. So that's annoying. I'm gonna go back over here for a second, folks. Just want to make sure I have that address thing closed so I don't dox any backers. That would suck. Let me go back over here because this that program I was just using for the address labels, which is right here. I can share it now that it's closed. Avery.com worked really well. I like it. I used it for all the address labels for the cards. Except for I just doxed a few things. That's fun. How it goes. Yeah, oh well. But there you go. It's Avery.com. Check it out if you need address labels. Really easy to use. But otherwise, besides my goofy move there, which I can go back and remove hopefully here. Let me see. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I'm getting distracted. Okay. I don't think it's this one. It wasn't Spark because it was Spark. I would have had the watermark on the GIF. Wasn't this. This doesn't look familiar at all. Neither does that. I don't think it was this guy, though I've used that program for other things. Well, at least I'm slightly familiar with this program, so we'll try it. I don't think it's what I used. My very organized folder of organization. Yeah, I've used this program before. Hopefully it'll work, but I remember the other one had better sizing and position options, which is the better program. But I've used this one for a lot of things. In fact, it's what I use to optimize the GIFs so that you can put them on Shopify, which actually doesn't support GIFs. But I'm able to get around it with very specific coding and fixes there. Howdy, James. Hope you're doing well. Okay, so how do I add? Yeah, so this'll. Oh, I don't know. This'll probably work. So let me just want to make sure I don't make a wrong move. And by that I mean do another stupid thing I shouldn't do. So let me So I've got to get the patrons' names in a workable format. So we'll do, which I probably don't need to do, but I'll do it this way. Alright, and then let's do, I guess I can open that. So I think this will work. Alright. Oh, I can, there you go. Alright, where was this one? I need that open, but tiny. So Zach can reads it while I types it. Oh, that won't work. So I have to drag it over here where I can't see OBS, but that's alright. I think you folks can see. I can't, so you're gonna have to let me know if that is a thing. Also, James, I don't know, I think I did acknowledge you, but just in case, I'll say it again. Welcome, welcome. Super excited to dive into Hollowed Harvest. Just have not gotten there yet. Reading a fudge ton. I was so stoked to finally get Full Metal Alchemist in. I've just been tearing through that. And then I'm trying to finish Epicurus the Sage. And that's been interesting. It's definitely not a smooth read, but it's a fun one, so I can't complain. But yeah, I need to get into Hollowed Harvest, I do. Really enjoyed the first one. That one with the doll from the last one really stuck with me. That was creepy. At least I feel like there was, with the doll, I say a doll, I think it was somebody getting like their eyes sewn shut. Something like that. Just the art style being what it was, and then combined with the thematics, it was very creepy. Very, very creepy. But the whole presentation was wonderful. I'm excited to see what you folks had in store this time. I actually need to, I think it alongside Wrath 1 and 2 and Dobie Kroger number 2, which I've read, are going to be the first kind of go at my reviving IronVerse quickies, but I haven't done that for a while. Just has not been a thing I've been inspired to do for a bit, which sucks. I actually really do enjoy kind of sharing my thoughts on indie work, and I just hasn't been a thing I wanted to do. In fact, I replaced it with What You're Reading for a while because it was just easier. But we ain't there anymore. I think I can get back to it. I can't see chat right now. Apologies. And now I need to find the other patron, the guy I'm adding. So, one sec, just so I don't dox anybody looking in my patron information. Just in case. I already did one goof. One terrible, but okay, Maxwell Traver. Okay, that's the dude's name. I think I'm not even going to put the and anymore. Did I spell that right, Mr. Traver? Yes. Alright, and then I take that info, so now we can do this. Let me see. Hi folks. And see you have a website. I'll have to send some of my buddies. So like, please do. Free reads, links to buy 1 and 2 that just got a public reprint through Wicked that I'd love to sell out. Number 3 is going to be coming shortly, and of course, free online comics. We have our fan art gallery there. We got our merch store there. All our links to the socials are there. I really enjoy having the website, and I'm kind of proud of it. So thanks. Please do send them that way. That is not spelt right. Why did I do that to that guy's name? Pretty sure it's Sachi. Yeah, I just forgot an I. It's not the worst, but alright, and then we take this. So this isn't how I did it the first time, so we're learning together. And then I do this. But then I need to go up here, Control A, and then I need to... No, not larger font. No. Like 12. Wow, you can do it a bunch of times. Okay, what about that? Okay, there it is. Okay, I see. Aha! Ooh, it's actually a nicer font on this one. We went with impact. Okay, so Control A. We can go up to 13 without any troubles. We might be able to go up to 14. I like that it's centered, but let me see. What if I do left? Okay, this one's not bad to use. This one's not too bad. What I need to do though, that did not fix what I wanted it to, which is a bit annoying. Okay, I don't know what the frames are. Oh, how long it lasts. Oh, interesting. Border, color. The color's fine, I think, unless. See, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's disgusting. No. White's fine. Border, very strong border. What does that look like? Just want to. Oh, okay. What does none look like? Oh, okay, that's much more readable. Alright, I just want it readable. Control A. Font size 15. Let's see what that looks like. Cool. I wanted to have a space where Sachi Ali was, and so I was like, cool, I'll do that. Let me see if I do an actual space there. Will it? No, it won't move it down. Aw. Alright. This wasn't bad. I was kind of more worried about this than I let on because it's a different program than I usually use, but this will be fine. And set. What if I updated like a bunch? Really? Control A, set. Yeah, 20's fine. So what about 25? Oh, really 25? Let me try it again. I keep highlighting because I'm not sure how this program works. Okay, 32. Yeah, is that getting bigger to you? 55. Let's go to 50. Yeah, it's not getting any bigger. I mean, that's fine. It does frame by frame. I don't need it all frames. This will be fine. Okay, I mean, that'll work for now. And then how do I create? Let's see. Let's see, folks. Let's see. Did I get it? Did I get it? I'm used to this website. It's been a backbone for a lot of little things I've needed to do, but yeah. All right, cool. I said I'd do this by the end of the week for the new guys, so $1 a month, you get added to this thing. Get a whole wave of you guys. I could get pretty messed up. All right, so there's that. So then I got a couple posts talking about the website, weren't we? What I'll do real quick is I'll show you how I. Oh God! All right, I'm gonna show you a trick, and I don't want to because it's a pain in the ass, but I got to get this right. So, what I'm gonna do is go on over here. Over here. I just want to make sure if I clicked on something it wouldn't fudge me. That's why it's on standby real quick. Again, I'm doing my best not to dox anybody, but easier said than done in some cases. Customize. Alright, so I'm going to show you. And it might work right away, in which case you don't get to learn my trick. But if it doesn't work right away, which is almost guaranteed, you don't get to see. So this is through Shopify. So if you use Shopify, I know I'm pretty sure the Mythoverse does. Here's our website, and you get all this crap, right? Boom. Here's the GIF we have up right now. It's loading in. I have a lot. So Shopify again isn't optimized for GIFs. So it'll add time to the loading of your website. There's some losses. But there's also some cool stuff if you're willing to work. So let's try and upload this thing. Give it a minute. If it works right away, hallelujah. But there's a good chance it won't. Just give it time. Yeah. So it'll give you this. The uploaded image is corrupt and cannot be processed. It is not corrupt. It's just weird. And so I'll show you. This is the website that I used to fix it. So that's nice. Not this one. This one. That's nice enough. So it's the right size. It's got to be under 15 megabytes. Whatever image you're uploading. So then what I do, this is weird, is I have to. So we'll optimize it a little bit. Doesn't need to do much. Maze of Dolls, that's it. That's it. That's the one I was talking about. Very worth it. I think you can pick up Hallowed Harvest print on demand through the Mythoverse website, if I'm right. If so, mythoverse.com. Go check it out. A lot of really good comics there. Alright, so that's it optimized. So what I do then is I save the fucker. Way tinier, right? But then you go up here. Then you upload your optimized GIF. It says repair corrupted GIF, and that's not, again, it's not exactly corrupt because any other website will accept it as a working GIF. It's not corrupt. It's just the wrong fucking file method. Then you have to use this, the image magic coalesce, unoptimize. So optimize it first so that when it de-optimizes it and raises the file size significantly, it doesn't jump above that 15 megabytes. Or else again, you can't upload it at all to the site there. We might have to optimize it again and a little bit harder and then re-upload it. But we'll see. I think it's 15 megabytes. If it's 18, we're all right. I think it's 15. So then we'll try it again with the new optimized image. That's a little big. Might be 20. In which case we're fine. The hardest one of these was trying to get this right here. There it goes. See, look. Just fine. Fucking weird, but I found out how to do it, so I haven't complained. As long as I can get something to work. If you know HTML, I'm almost guaranteed none of the problems I ever share are a thing. But there you go. Upload it to the website. Then the next thing I'll do is let patrons know that I updated the image, and let folks on Twitter know that I updated the image. And just thanks for them doing this, because literally they pay for this website. The website's about $35 a month. I try very hard to market our merchandise, but it does not sell for shit. Honestly, I mean, I'll get good bursts of folks who come in and want to support us, and beautiful, thank you so much. But in terms of any kind of consistent basis, merch just is not a practical income that helps pay for the site, right? But Patreon is consistent, and it actually pays for the site, so it's no joke that you know, thank you folks. You folks also spreading the word, all that good stuff. It really makes a difference. Howdy, Nefarious. Just finished some busy work. Completely. In fact, this was all I was gonna do. The next bits would be to let patrons know that I updated the bit here. $1 a month to get added to the site here, and then you get added. What I'd like to do is the end card, the end video. I guess I can do that too. Yeah, I can do that too. So let's do that as well. Just a few little maintenance things. So this was showing you how to get a GIF, trick Shopify into accepting a GIF when they don't have GIF support. But then the next thing, yes, do I have anything else open? That would be dangerous. No, so I can close these. OBS, that's Streamlabs, that's Steam. So let me show you the program I use for video editing, because I don't know how to edit for crap. Shotcut, so just free something that allows me to attach things to a video, right? So I'm probably going to be relearning myself right now. I actually have to go into OBS, so you guys are going to see infinite me's and Mo and Jack here. And then I need to look at, we actually have to go up here. Then I have to look at this, which you guys aren't seeing because I'm not sharing anymore. Ha ha ha. See where that's saved. Downloads, YouTube vids is where that's saved, because I'm going to alter it. That's fine. We can save it there. Let's call it Updated with Patrons. That's what I'll call this project, because it's actually long overdue I did that, so... and then I'll go open file. Oh, you guys can't see me. What am I doing? I just needed to go there to see where that thing was stored. There you go. We're in Shotcut now. We'll go through. It was downloads and then YouTube vids, which is probably way the fudge down here. Need this fella. So let's go ahead and open that video. Ooh, there's our video. Whoop, sorry about the extra music there. And then basically, I need to find the place I want to add this to, right? I want to replace this image as well at some point because we have updated covers, but I ain't there yet. And of course, Laguna Muntas, add there. Boom, okay, and then there we go there. I could. Well, what am I adding? The patrons. The patrons. Yes, so I can do it there. I can do it there. So then let me figure this out. I've only done this maybe once before. I don't think it's filter. Is it? Is it a filter I need to add? Video. Crop, chroma brightness, distort, fade, flip, sketch. No, I don't think that's what I need to do with it. How do I... what I need to do. Let me see. I need this sorted by date. Will it just only allow that? That's a little annoying. Where is my new GIF? Should be right up here. There it is. Yeah, I just need to refresh it. What the fuck? Alright. Okay, and then like it could do that, but what I want to do... Oh, this will be fun. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, okay. No, I do. What I needed to do that I didn't do. Add a track. Now what I want. It'll work instead of that fade out, right? Like I could do that. Like I could do that. That's fine. A little sloppy, but all my video editing is terribly sloppy. Yeah, see, and then it just kind of gets rid of all the music. No, I don't really need that. Yeah, I don't like the effect there. Boom, 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 boom. So let's try this again here. There we go. So I want this track to overlay that track. How do I do that? Well, I went to add, and that did not add another track. Add video track. There we go. And I drag this fucker up here. How about that? And then we... Perfecto. Just shrink it to the length of that. And cheap and dirty fix. That's, it needs to be a little longer. A little longer than. Okay. Okay. And then maybe a fade out. Oh, over here, add video, fade out video. You fade in too. Cheap and dirty, cheap and dirty. I like this program. It does what I need to. Ta-da! No, it needs a bit more time, and I would wish, honestly, if I am for true. Okay, why is that not moving? Thank you. Can go a little longer than There you go. Basically till the music's done. Yeah, there you go. Cheap, dirty, effective. No, 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 no. Okay. Boom, and then I gotta go. Aha. Aha. Yeah. Oh, it's an alpha? No, no, no. I thought there was a folder called YouTube. Ah, there it was. Okay. Yeah, this shouldn't be that crazy. And we wait for it to render. Ta-da! Oh, thanks. Yeah, there's quite a few mugs up on there. If you ever decide to get anything, code GETIRONS, GETIRONS, gets you, I believe, a quarter off everything. And that's for everybody, forever. So just FYI, if price is an issue, that's kind of why I do that. And patrons for $1 a month get 50% off all the merch. So you get the merch basically at cost if you're a patron. Print and demand cost, right? So we're just paying to make it. Um, I think we get a little bit. I think it's like a 60-40 split. So I still get like a little bit of profit, but it ain't much. But there is a code for patrons. I change it every 3 months. Um, can't share it on here, but $1 a month on Patreon. You get access to that code as it alters. If you want to get some merch. If you want to get some merch. And thanks for checking out the site, by the way, too. That's the biggie. All right, so that finished. And then what we're gonna do, boom, show in folder, please. All right, there it is. And then what I want to do is we'll go up to here, and I usually run this at the end of the thing, right? And that's what we just edited. So what I'm gonna do is switch that file to the new file. It doesn't need to loop. Doesn't need to yeah, might as well restart playback when it becomes good. Speed at 100%. We don't need it to go too fast. And then, ta-da! Aha, but see, I do need to alter it. So, boom, boom, boom. Let's drag that out so it covers everything. And then I can click on it, and I can actually see if it worked. IronVerseComics.com ad. Read the comics ad. And then, we now have a Patreon thank you at the end of each YouTube video. Awesome. All right, that's long overdue too. So that was quite a bit of busy work that I needed to do, and even one thing that I didn't think to do till I had already done the other part of busy work. So that was fun. Don't know if there's anything else I need to do at the moment. Sure, save the changes to the project. I'm probably not going to use the project again for a while till I update it again with new patrons. Let me see. Definitely, if you're on the website and you're just curious to see what we got on offer, definitely click on the merch thing, because if you just do it from the main page, you don't get everything. Again, Get Irons gets you, I believe, 25% off any of this. So definitely check it out. I got playing cards, a lunchbox, t-shirts, pet stuff. I was very glad they added pet bandanas. I gotta get one myself for my pup. Gaiters. I've been wearing these throughout the entire fucking craziness, and comfortable at least. All kinds of stuff. I add new merch semi-frequently. I got a puzzle. Not all the time. I have this mug. I've been enjoying using that mug. I have a mug kind of like that, but not that one. That's the big old mug. In fact, I don't think there's only 3 people who have the mug I have. That's a Cactus Coyote mug. Laguna Muta, myself, and Dollar Coins. So yeah, but this is the newest mug. I really like this mug quite a bit. You can get it with a blue inside or a black inside. Yeah, I like our merch. Doesn't sell, but I like it. uh, when you load in, it's going to be blurry like this too, which bugs me. Again, Shopify is not optimized for GIFs or video, though you can sneak GIFs in. You can trick people. You can trick the site into GIFs working. Um, the lower res, of course, the quicker it will load on in. See, boom, already getting these in. And the fewer GIFs you have on the site, the quicker it'll load on in as well. I have, I think, 4 or 5 up here. It also loads live stream content that I had. I have that linked on up. You can go here and get either of our free reads. Go here, you can buy the comics. You go here. This I'm terrible at updating. I am so sorry about that for folks who actually check out the website. This I'm very good at updating, and this auto updates. So that in that order, right? You would think this would be a little bit more updatey, but nope. Fed Art Gallery. That's the number one that I stay in. If you want to help us out, these are always what's here, and I've tried to keep the stuff that's finished in here as well, just so folks can go back and look, right? And then of course all of our social media stuff is on here. So the website is the best place to get in contact with us if that's what you want to do. Yeah, the last one, I think the last update I did was here. And yeah, it's been over 3 months. I need to update this again, and it looks like I have a typo right away too on the second word basically on there. So that's excellent. But this is updated. Updated very, very quickly. I haven't gotten another piece for a little bit, but this one was very cool to get. And yeah, we got plenty of fan art. I'd like to have done it more in a gallery style than a scrolling style, but this works kind of well for mobile, right? So it works. Um, but yeah, I really like our website, and I'm very grateful that our patrons fund it. That's why I definitely wanted to get this going. It will load in. I know it looks like it isn't. It just takes a while. It might have stopped loading in too, which is annoying. Yeah, it did. There you go. See, boom. Click that one in. Click that one in. That one in. This one's got to load in still, but then this one loaded in. So still wish I could have moved that down just an inch. I hate it being up against that, but it is what it is. If we get more patrons, they're going to be smaller and smaller. I don't think I can. Let me check. So I'm here. I don't think I can increase the size of that image, which, yeah, is annoying. Oh, okay, cool. You guys can watch. There's nothing to dox here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry. All right, my mistake. Oh, hello. There you go. All right. Yeah, trying to manage all the broadcasting buttons. No, I can't increase its size. I can just change it to left or right. I could remove this, but it would still just be a big image with empty space. I could remove the button, but I like having the link there. So that's as big as that image goes. I think if you're scrolling through on mobile, I can show you. That's a nice thing about Shopify, can't I? Let me see if yeah, it'll be like that. So it's a lot better on mobile in that case. Just like a lot of our GIFs actually are a little bit better on mobile. But yeah. Few tips and tricks, I guess, is what happened in here. A lot of busy work, a little bit of chatting. Appreciate you folks for stopping by. Let me see. Yeah, it took a couple hours there. Um, so I guess that would do it. Go over here. I don't don't think I have anything else to share with you, kind folks. No. Uh, I think that's it then, folks. I did the busy work I needed to do today. And I still gotta swing by the post office, I think. Let me check something, I guess, since I'm here. I might as well. Boom. I might not have to. The only reason I would is maybe try and send that first batch of first 7 to 8 of those international cards, but we'll see. Let me go here, and just see if there's another reason to head out. Because if not, I might stop this stream and then start a gaming stream. But we'll see. We'll see. I gotta check this over here. Do all of this off stream, but why? When I'm already here. No, really, I probably should. But I'd miss you folks. Let's see. Anything change? No, that's in Cali. Just waiting for the last 9 volumes, but they're 3-in-1, so three more paperbacks of Full Metal Alchemist, and then I'll have all of it. And I'm tearing through it. I'm on volume 7 already, so I'm hoping they come in sooner rather than later. But there's a good chance that nothing's there. Might want to wait till Monday then and check the post office. That's annoying. The only other reason would be Shaman King. Shaman King was delayed quite a bit, this latest volume. Latest 3-in-1. So that would be 7, 8, 9, it looks like. I've been waiting. It was supposed to come out September, and it was delayed till November. I don't know if it was a printing shortage or what, but finally been shipped, and then the guys who shipped it through Amazon shipped it weird. So I'm unsure if it's actually at my post office pickup or not. So that's fun. But anyway, folks, besides that random BS I'm talking about, I'll figure that out. Maybe have lunch, and might see you later on with the gaming stream. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Appreciate you joining me. I'm Cody with IronVerse Comics. This guy. And I'll catch you later on that rusty IronVerse Comics trail. You folks, please take care. Have a good one. Oh, and enjoy the new outro video. It's so new. Seriously, though, thank you folks for joining.